What's up, guys? Today another recap here, watching RKDA OSTK. Today I have a better story to tell. I can't wait to share with you guys. Now, if you don't mind, and again, if you need any kind of help, shoot me an email. Go to the contact form over at traderscolony.com. You can find it at the bottom of the landing page. If you need to contact me, talk to me, Skype talk, you need advice or anything at all, do that. You can contact me. We can have a little chat. Better than writing something. We can discuss anything that you might be going through if you need help with anything. But let me get into the story because I cannot wait to tell you the story of today's trade, and what a nice trade it was today. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in a minute. Good afternoon, everyone. The OSTK trade recap here, this video, very small. I'm gonna bring you also, I'm gonna tell you I was watching RKDA since the beginning. The pre-market hours, it was actually getting a lot of momentum in the pre-market hours. One of the things that I didn't really like was that it was overextended, and by the time that the bell rang, it had about 3 million shares traded. So I thought it was a little overcrowded. I told you guys it was going to flush right from the open, and I was going to look for a pop, a support, and I will try to get that nice pop to take a trade to the long side. Again, I'm referring to RKDA, which I'm going to bring it to you right now. But first of all, I'm going to bring you OSTK because I took a trade on the OSTK here. Very good trade. And I want to show you guys exactly what it did. By the time I saw OSTK popping right here, it was already around here, okay? So it started trending over the 50 simple moving average in the View app. I had a couple of trend lines just a day before, a couple of days ago. I was watching the stock, and there was a few key levels on the OSTK. If you will see it right here, let me show you. There's a couple of levels right here on the daily chart that I was actually watching as of today, and this is happening right here. Okay, so if you look at this nice pennant around this area was when I actually was able to notice this stock popping up on my scanners. A little bit of consolidation. We see the 5-minute time frame here. Micro pullback on the 5, and I said, well, got a couple of different key levels right here. This is resistance, okay? And then we have a following resistance around 23.83. So if we're able to break this resistance, and again, I was watching it around this 5-minute time frame here in these candles. And I figured if we're able to break over the 5-minute red candle, first 5-minute red candle right here for this micro pullback on the 5, then I think we might be able to pop up all the way to 23.83. And so at the breakout of the high of this 5-minute candle is when I took my trade. And again, it was consolidation around here. This is a 2-minute time frame. I used it 1, 2, 5, 15 right here, and daily right here. And on the push all the way here, when we were going all the way to 23.83, I sold 3/4. Actually, very nice trade. If you look at right here, all the candles are actually excellent candles. You don't see a whipsaw. You don't see things happening. We had a little bit of all the consolidation right here. If you notice a 5-minute time frame bull flag over here. Now, I wasn't inside for that pop here because I already took out about 3/4 by the time that it was hovering close to this area right here that I was looking for, 23.83. Now, I'm going to bring you the 1 minute here because I was watching the 1 minute, and this is a thing that I was looking for. When it popped over here, started to consolidate here. It started to give me a little bit of volume around here because I actually waited for the full pullback here. I was still in when it pulled back over here, but I was already out 75% of my position. So I let it run, and it came right back. And by the time it was actually hovering around here, and I noticed it was actually hitting this level right here, this candle had a high of 24.25, and I figured that was not actually. That is archived on the live stream. If you guys want to go back and check it out, I don't want to be called out and you guys thinking that I'm just talking out of my whatever here. Everything is archived. live commentaries are right there. But by the time they was hovering around here, I told you guys in the live stream that I thought this is probably gonna pull back from here and a little bit of consolidation before it popped again. So I wanted to just sell the rest of my position, and that 25%, that quarter that I was still holding, took it out, got out for a very nice profit. Only 2 trades this week and 1 break even on Wednesday on Snap. So 1 good trade on Tuesday, 1 good trade today, excellent trade as a matter of fact today, and our break even trade on Snap made my whole week today. If you notice right here in the 5-minute time frame, we had a nice bull flag and a nice pop. This stock actually made this formation here, this nice pennant. But for the end of the day right now, it's trending inside of this pocket. If you notice right here, it's been holding that resistance. So 23.83 became support, and now it's trending right here on top of the 50 simple moving average, shooting for the next top on $25.69 on the daily. If you look at right here, holding on to that 50 simple moving average very nicely. So, well guys, I'm gonna bring it real quick to the screen RKDA just to show you what it did at the open. So I was telling you guys, even got hold it. I was waiting for this stock, for this thing to happen, and unfortunately, and very fortunately, I was busy with OSTK. Nice flush right from the open, as I told you guys on the live stream. Flushed. This thing is very interesting here, because this pennant on the one that I will show you, I was looking at this pennant on the 1 minute time frame, took out a lot of people, because pretty sure shorts were looking for the breakdown. I myself was looking for a breakdown here. If you notice right here, the low of this candle on the one, $2.83, $2.83 right here. Okay, so I was looking for the pennant right here when this thing actually was printing this red candle right here. It broke down, but it held this support. I wasn't too sure. I didn't trade it at all. I was telling you guys I didn't want to be a superhero because I thought that it had a little bit more to go to the downside, and I was actually looking for a bounce, but I thought it was going to break down. Now it held the support here, 23.83. There was probably a lot of people that shorted this stock on the breakdown here, but he held the support around here, and then risking off the $3 flat over here, $3 resistance, is the point that a lot of people were looking for to take a trade and risk off this resistance. Okay, but as you notice here, it just bounced, rolled over, and got right here to the 306, broke that resistance right there. I'm pretty sure it took a lot of people out and just flushed again. So there you can see, after that, a little bit of consolidation, very nice pop. If you notice right here, hold it, consolidation around here, and the following push over the $4.50, 15 cents, 1.5. So after that, it just started consolidating, going sideways. I was watching it, bunch of whips all over the place. If you notice right here, I didn't like it too much, overcrowded for me. 51 million shares traded today already. It's way too much volume. This stock is just whipsaw all over the place here. But I took an excellent trade on OSTK, and I'm very glad about it. Well, thank you guys anyway. Just wanted to bring you this quick recap here, although it's already over 8 minutes. I thought it was going to be a little shorter than this. But I want to thank you for your time to listen to the video and the recap. And I wish you all guys a good weekend and happy trading. I'll see you next week again. Thank you.